Fastest under $50,000 sounds simple, but it isn't. Fast depends on what you measure, 0 to 60, quarter mile, or how our car feels in the real world. So today, I'm not ranking these cars from first to last. I'm breaking down 4 of the fastest options under 50 grand, using real numbers and honest takeaways. No mods, no limiter removal, no used car loopholes. Just how these cars perform from the factory and why some feel faster than others. So let's get into it. This is the Mustang GT, the V8 benchmark under $50,000, and still the most traditional definition of fast. MSRP is about $43,000. Real world pricing runs low 40s to high 40s, and it's rear wheel drive, 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds and a quarter mile in the low 12s. Why this car feels fast is simple. Once it hooks, the power just keeps building. The faster you go, the harder it pulls. The good is obvious. It's a real V8, real sound, real top-end shove. The downside? Launch consistency depends heavily on tires and surface. If you define fast as raw power and drama, this is still the muscle car answer. The Nissan Z takes a different approach. Modern, turbocharged, and torque focused. Around 40,000 MSRP, rear wheel drive, 0 to 60 in the low 4s, and a quarter mile in the high 12s. It feels fast because the turbo torque hits early and stays strong, especially once you're already moving. The upside is strong mid-range pull, the downside feels heavier than the numbers suggest, and launches aren't its strength. If rolling speed matters more than launches, this one punches above its weight. The Golf R is the outlier here. All-wheel drive, hatchback, and all about consistency. Mid-40s MSRP, all-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in the high 4s, and a quarter mile in the low 13s. This car feels fast because the launch is instant. No drama, no wheel spin, it just goes. And personally, I really do love all-wheel drive. There's a confidence that's hard to ignore. The good is repeatability and confidence. The trade-off is once you're rolling, it can't match higher powered cars. If fast means usable speed everywhere, this is the easy button. This one surprises people. The Mini JCW earns its place through weight and immediacy. High 30,000 MSRP, front wheel drive, and 0 to 60 around 5 seconds. It feels fast because it's light and it's geared short. You feel everything immediately. The upside is playful speed and quick bursts. The limitation is front-wheel drive and reduced repeatability under hard launches. If fast equals fun at sane speeds, this one delivers. So here's the honest takeaway. On paper, the Mustang is the fastest car here by traditional performance metrics. 0 to 60, quarter mile, and overall power to weight ratio, it wins those battles. But fastest on paper isn't always the same as fastest to live with or what feels fastest. That's why fastest depends on metrics, or honestly, personal preference. So now I want to hear from you. How do you define fast? 0 to 60, quarter mile, or real world pulls? Tell me in the comments below and we'll break it down in the next one. And that is just some of the BS.